Welcome to the realm of the inland taipan, the world's most venomous snake. Slithering through the remote landscapes of Australia and known as the fierce snake, the inland taipan stands at 1.8 to 2.5 meters, a deceptive beauty with deadly neurotoxicity. Its venom holds the title for the most potent among all serpents, capable of inducing rapid paralysis. Despite its formidable reputation, encounters with these elusive creatures are rare. The inland taipan, a silent predator in the vast Australian wilderness, a master of survival, and a reminder of nature's awe-inspiring yet perilous wonders.